wearing the crown and the sash of Miss Asia Pacific 2025. But of course, aside for our amazing tourist spots, we Philippines have so many amazing tourist destinations that we can offer to the candidates. But I think it's the culture that we have, the tradition that we have as Filipinos, especially the amazing Filipino people that we have, the qualities that we have that we can share to them, that they can definitely remember until the nick of time. Oh, when it comes to the disadvantage, I always look at the positive side of everything. Especially, just like what I mentioned, this is my first international pageant, so I think I'm only seeing the advantage. And the advantage is for us to promote the beautiful country that we have, the beautiful people that we have, and at the same time, the culture that we can share, not just nationally, na magiging proud tayo, but internationally. So I'm just super grateful that we are the host delegate this year because as a representative, it's my advantage to promote the beauty that the Philippines have to offer. Came from humble beginnings, and that story of mine, I carry that throughout my life, even in this journey. So I think that's the resilience the Filipinos have that I'm proud of. And of course, we Filipinos possess an innate character that we can be proud, and that is our unshakable spirit. Tayo ang lahing walang sinusukuan. And as the individuals, I am feeling so, I have received so many, problems that we have as Filipinos that we can definitely address as individuals as well, just like as citizens. I know that with our unshakable spirit, we can definitely pass any problems that we have as Filipinos. So yeah, that's something that I'm proud of as Filipina. Ang ating lahing walang sinusukuan and the resiliency of every Filipino.